Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Philips CD sound machine AZ1047, very nice model. This has one issue, so let's try to fix that issue. The issue is the cassette is not playing, the motor is not rotating. If I connect, let me show you by connecting it. So I am connecting here 220 mains here, and I am selecting the input here of tape, this one, and now I am ejecting. You can notice here closely, I am zooming in. If I press forward, it's not rotating. Even if I press rewind, it is not rotating. The play button is also, nothing is happening, completely dead. So let's see what is the problem exactly. So to see the problem, we have to tear this down. So to tear this down, we have to take out these screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 screws. So let's start taking these out. I have taken this all 6 screws. Now I am removing this cover, and just by prying out, pulling here out, this will come out. So we have to take out this. This is the power supply, main power supply, which goes to the board here. So this part I am taking out. So let me see the motor functionality here. Now I am going to take out this motor. Before that, let's take out these wires. So we have taken out the connection of the motor. So now it's time to give some voltage here and see whether this motor rotates or not. Now I am going to give voltage here from the external battery. So it should rotate. Nothing is happening. I think the motor is dead. This motor is not working, completely dead. So let me search the new motor. We have to take this. We have to bring one 9 volt DC motor with CCW. CCW is counterclockwise. So now 9 volt DC counterclockwise motor is required. So this motor might be there available with me. So I am going to search and come back here within no time. Alright, now I have this. I have bought this motor. You can see. So this is a motor, brand new motor, same motor, EG530AD. You can see EG530AD, and this is 9 volt DC 2400 RPM. Here also 2400 RPM is written, you can see here, and CCW is written here, and here also in this motor CCW is written. So this is the 100% same motor. Alright, now let's see whether this motor works or not. So I am going to connect this. Alright, I have this 3.7 volt battery, but no problem, the motor will definitely rotate. So I am connecting, plus will go to plus, minus will go to minus. Yes, it is rotating. So this motor is perfectly working. So we have to replace this motor here. Let's start taking this motor out from this place. This is the screw. So one screw I have taken as of now. That's it. I think Yeah, this has come out. So this is the belt we have to put back carefully. You can see this is the belt. So I am keeping this belt separately, and as of now I will keep this player separately. Alright, as of now the main thing is we have to replace these pairs to this motor. We have to fix these things. So alright, now let's take out these two screws. So two screws has come out, so I am directly placing here to this point, putting back the screws here. So this part has been replaced. Now we have to take out this capacitor as well, and this rotor. So to take that out, I am going to just pry it from the motor. You can see it is coming out. That's it. Now I am going to put here. That's it, you can see. So this motor is ready. The only thing is we have to take out this capacitor. So I am going to take out this capacitor. Now I have taken out this capacitor. Let's keep this problematic motor separately. Now I am going to put this motor here. Put this capacitor in this motor. Alright, you can see now the capacitor is placed to this motor. Now I am going to solder this capacitor. Let's apply some paste here for the lead. Then now let's solder this. Soldering is done. So everything is perfect. Now it's time to connect this motor to the main speaker to fix this motor. So it's time to connect this motor. Before that I am going to install this belt here to this place, or else I am going to put this small belt here in this big wheel. Alright, now I am going to place this motor here. Before placing or screwing it, I am going to install this belt properly to the wheel in the motor. So I have placed this belt properly. Now it's time to fix this motor here. Done. Now it's time to adjust this wheel. Time to screw back the motor here. Done. Now everything is fixed. It is in place. So it is perfectly fitted. Now it's time to solder these cables. It's as simple as that. Now these two are plus and this will go to plus. Done. Now this is minus, will go to minus. Alright, now it's time to test. To test I have to connect this power supply here. Now I'm just keeping this. I'm not going to put the screws. I'll just keep like this, and before that let's test it. Let me connect this power cord here, mains cord. Now before that, let's see by pressing this play button. You can see now it is playing. Zooming in, coming closer here. You can see now it is playing. Now I am going to press forward here. You can see it It is rotating perfectly. And as well as rewind, you can see now this is also rotating. Alright, now let's put some cassette here and play. Now I am playing. So this is very old cassette. I'm not going to play for long because there will be copyright issue for me. Let's see. So rewind is also working, sound is coming clearly. Forward is also working, sound is coming clearly. Pause is working. Alright, now the cassette is ready and this has become 100% brand new. As you can see, we have replaced the brand new motor here. So this is the main problem which we have fixed. Now it's time to put back the screws. I'm taking out this mains card. Now it's time to put back these 6 screws here. Alright, all 6 screws has been placed. Putting back this back cover. Now finally let's try again. With some other cassette. So it's perfectly working. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz360 and hit that notification bell icon. And if you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.